start again. It's a rich thing.
What's up, my stylish pearls? Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how I color my wig unit, taking the Wella Charm 9NG and the 30 volume developer. And you're going to need gloves and your mixing bowl. So basically I already got the product in the bowl, and I'm going to be using this streaking brush. I pretty much got this brush from my local beauty supply store. And I actually saw a video of someone using this particular brush to streak out their hair, and I kind of just want to try it out, you guys. I never did this brush before, this technique, so this pretty much going to be my first time. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but I'm going for a ashy look. I had already I don't know if you guys paid attention in the beginning when I showed you the roots. The roots was already pretty much ash, but I decided the hair was a little bit too blonde for me still, so I decided to add a little bit more just to darken it up a little bit. You know, your girl ain't trying to be around here a real blonde around here, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about to just tone this down by using this brush. I honestly can say I did not like using the brush. I don't know if you guys use this brush before coloring your hair. Let me know down in the comments, because it just took too long. I felt like a coloring brush would have did the job way more better. But I'm just gonna continue you know, saturating the product all the way through the hair and making sure I'm getting every string of the wig unit, because you don't want no, especially with the blonde, I didn't want any of the blonde seeking through where I'm looking crazy. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply the product all the way through, and yeah, we're gonna see how this hair color turned out, you guys. So you pretty much just gonna see me rumbling, fumbling all through the hair, applying the product. Yeah, so if you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And yeah, if you guys like when I do hair coloring or any type of techniques on my channel, just let me know. So yeah, you guys continue watching and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so at this point I was pretty much getting a little frustrated because it took forever, and it was taking me forever to get the color saturated all the way through this the wig unit, it seemed like every time I applied the color, I was seeing more blonde. So I was like, what the heck? And then I couldn't find my coloring brush, so I had to continue with this brush. So you guys, I don't know if you guys are able to tell, but it looked like it was it's a little bit darker on one side than it is on the other. But I try my best to get this hair color saturated all the way through this unit with this freaking brush. This brush take forever, you guys. I do not recommend this brush, but I did get the job done to my liking, you guys. This is what it looks like. I feel like it did get darker, so I'm just appreciative of that much. So yeah, I'm just going to wash this unit out and see what it looks like. And yeah, this is what the final look turned out. It looked a little silver in person, but I like it. So I'm just gonna darken the roots with a little bit of my complexion foundation, and this is a powder foundation. So I'm just gonna apply that all over the lace at the bottom. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how I color. And if you guys want to see how I style this unit, make sure you subscribe and turn your notifications on. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.